Section 3.3, Example 8. Jamal, Ethan, and Alberto are competing with 7 other boys to be on their school's cross-country team. All the boys have an equal chance of winning the trial race. Determine the probability that Jamal, Ethan, and Alberto will place first, second, and third in any order. First of all, we have Jamal, Ethan, and Alberto, and 7 other boys. So in total, there are 10 boys competing. We are looking at placing first, second, and third, so order does matter. This is a permutation question. To find our total number of outcomes, we have 10 boys competing, and we are trying to find the number of ways to get first, second, and third, 3. 10p3 is 720. Our favorable outcomes are Jamal, Ethan, and Alberto all placing first, second, and third. So of those 3 boys, they are being placed first, second, and third. Again, order matters. Of those 3 participants, we're looking to arrange all 3. So 3p3 is 3 factorial, which gives us 6 ways. To find the probability that this happens, we take our favorable outcomes and divide by the total. Our favorable outcome 6 divided by our total 720. We can reduce that as a fraction in lowest terms, or we can write as a percentage, 0.83%.